probably an out of the water job, and we're gonna have to seek a little bit of advice on that one, I'm afraid. That shaft is now at an angle into the gland.
Why is it hard on my own?
Motor out, anchor off at the beach, and enjoy what might be the last of the summer.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Cool.
The curtains come down, the softness now. In the end, we should leave something special. Let him talk, as long as my name is on their lips. Call me mistake.
Good morning.
Yeah, wind's died off now. But... Little Explorer. Little Explorer.
I go and make coffee for 1 minute, and now I think it's the solo sailor.
Okay, just got back from a trip and looked into the engine bilge, and we have collected half of the ocean with us. Also there's some crap in our sea strainer which we'll get out in a moment, but yeah, not the sight that we wanted to see on our return. Lifting up the bed in the aft cabin just to look at the prop shaft, check the packing gland, and I don't know if you can see, but that shaft is now at an angle into the gland, and there's a lot of sort of water droplets around here, some more water there, and also we've just tried sort of spinning this, and you get a bit more than just a couple of drips every minute, which you're supposed to get. So, not sure what to do. It's probably an out of the water job, and we're gonna have to seek a little bit of advice on that one, I'm afraid.
Damn it. We were a bit worried that we put her under pressure for quite a while.
Yeah, well, I think the engine was fine, but it's obviously not part of that. It's part of the prop shaft itself.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to drip a little bit every minute, so that the gland's working properly, but yeah, it's not just the gland. I think it's the prop shaft itself is at a weird angle, so it's not ideal. So we're going to be pumping out the bilge for a bit.
Yay! And it's such a beautiful day.
and we was going to go out for an anchor and a swim, but that might not be happening now.
No, I think it will be pump the bilge out and then maybe go to the beach.
Go to the mechanics and just get someone to have a look at it.
Oh God. Yay! Relaxing Sunday.
Not good.
Not at all.
Okay, that is 5 litres, almost 6 litres of bilge water. And now we need some cleaning. How much water is too much water for a week away sailing? Okay, so we got back yesterday after a massive sail, and we thought what better way to enjoy the final day of our holiday before the return to work than motor out, anchor off at the beach, and enjoy what might be the last of the summer.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Oh. So here we are.
It's very hazy today.
Yeah, visibility's not great out there, but
But it's beautiful.
it looks great here. So let's get into it. Just a quick update to let you know that last time you saw us lose a GoPro when we went swimming off the boat. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
We have a problem. Oh, no. Trying to grab it.
What happened? Oh no!
GoPro's gone.
The GoPro's gone!
We bought a new one, well, it's not a GoPro, it's a cheap one for 50 quid and it's doing the job, so well, let us know if it's not. But and so instead of chucking it overboard when we jump off, we've invested in one of these.
So it floats.
So it floats.
We didn't
and
really test that. We just thought it would best to test the theory.
we just chucked it in. No.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, stay tuned for some water GoPro action shots.
Yay!
Get ready. It's going to be freezing, it's not been that warm recently. Gonna have to go for it, aren't you?
Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her?
Pretty good.
Be more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains come down? Are you ready?
Hello there, baby.
Hey, love.
How's it going?
Whew. What's happening?
We just anchored off the beach and we're having a little swim.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's stunning.
Once you're in, it's fun.
Yeah.
Starts off freezing cold though. I'm getting dragged backwards because
Do you want the fender?
that's the way the tide's going. How amazing is this though?
So beautiful.
Oh. Is this not what it's all about?
This is what it's all about.
It really is dragging.
Yeah, you are dragging loads. We've not dragged, which is good.